Laura, welcome to my home. Today we are going to make something quick and easy. Shrimp with a lemon cream sauce is so delicious, so easy, so versatile. You will have your sauce made and your shrimp cooked by the time your pasta is ready. You can't beat that. So let's get started. So I've just thrown on linguine. I'm getting my pan nice and hot. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you salt your water really well. Like the taste of the sea, they say. All right, well you can use different types of pasta for this, but a linguine is always really nice. And I like a smaller, delicate pasta. All right, so that's gonna take about 5 minutes. Let's get this nice and hot. To this, I'm gonna add some garlic and onions. So just like half a small onion or 3 cloves of garlic, because I really like it garlicky, but you wanna cut it really small so that you don't have big chunks, but it doesn't really matter if that's what you prefer. You could also throw in some nice vegetables, like if you have some red peppers or yellow peppers that are going bad. You have some asparagus. Asparagus is great this time of year. Spring is full of asparagus. And you can also just clean out your fridge of vegetables and throw them in here. All right, to this I'm gonna add our shrimp. I'm gonna put a little bit of Cajun seasoning on it, just a little sprinkle, give it a little bit of a kick. All right, and we're gonna throw those on. I like a nice flavorful base. And to this, the shrimp is gonna release a lot of flavor, like seafood flavor, which is really nice. Now you don't want to add any salt because shrimp are already salty from the sea, so you can wait till the end to add your salt. You only want to cook them for about 1 minute per side, not very long. Give your pasta a bit of a stir. Turn them over to the other side. You also want to wash your pasta. You want it al dente. I'm gonna add a little bit more Cajun spice. All right, so now we're gonna take out our shrimp and we're gonna add them to a bowl. We don't wanna overcook them. They're so tender and delicious. But if you overcook them, they kind of get hard and not as good, that's for sure. Look at all the flavor that is left in this pan. The little crispy bits on the side. Ooh, that's gonna be such great flavor. So to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes. This adds a little bit of spice, but not too much. It just is that perfect amount of heat. Next, I'm gonna add the zest of 1 lemon. I like to use a whole lemon because it's so zesty and flavorful, and you really, really tasted it with the cream. All right, perfect. I'm also gonna add, I have a lemon here, half a lemon juice of half a lemon. All right, I'm gonna deglaze with a little white wine. Just a little splash because I'm only making it for 2 people. All right, so just let the alcohol burn off for a minute. Now to that, I'm gonna add some cream, some 35% cream, but you can also use a heavy cooking cream, which would be less fattening, but I feel like I like to go all out if I'm gonna have pasta and cheese and make it delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg. If you have fresh, use it. If you don't, use the dry, it's fine. And a little ground pepper. You know, I love pepper. Right there, I'm gonna throw in my pasta. Toss. Throw back my shrimp and the juices. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. And now that my stove is off, I'm gonna add some grated cheese. So let's give that a good stir. Now top it with some parsley, some lemon zest, some Parmesan cheese, and some ground pepper. Yum. shrimp, velvety sauce with a spicy, zesty kick. It is delicious. I know you'll like it. Give it a try. Let me know your thoughts on it. Don't forget to subscribe so we can see each other next Wednesday. Have a great week. Cheers.